Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a responsive registration form. Let's first create the HTML structure. I am using an article and aside tag inside the section tag, where article will contain the welcome text and login information, and aside will contain the registration form. Let's do the CSS part. First of all, I'm adding an image inside the body tag. To bring everything in the center, I'm using display flex on the container. To place the article and aside tag side by side, I'm adding display flex on the section tag. And adding the background color white with opacity and backdrop filter blur for the glass effect. Article and aside width should be in percentage. To add an inside gap, I'm using inner class where I mention the padding. Now I am decorating the text of the article. Also decorating the anchor background. Then decorating the text of the aside attractive. For the social logging button, I'm adding icons on the background of the anchor. Now come to the form part. I'm creating the input fields attractive. To add proper width of the input fields, need to be use calc function where decrease the total padding value from the 100% width. Then decorating the submit button. To bring the content of the article in the middle, I am using flex here. Now I am adding an icon inside the input fields. Here background position should be mentioned in percentage and background size should be in pixel. Finally, I am adding a media query for responsiveness. As this is not a big page, only one breakpoint will work. Up to page width 760px, section content will be in one column and rest in two columns. For that, I am adding flex flow column on the section and also change the article and assign width to 100%. After little adjustment, here is the final result. You will find the complete source code in the description below. If you find this helpful, please like and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe.